Hey guys, I think it's fair to say we live in chaotic times. Here in New England, we're always struggling, here certainly in the winter, with the potential of power outages based on the storms that we get. Blackouts have been an issue with some parts of our country. One of the things that I just want to educate people on very clearly is that if you're able to get a battery at your house that's connected to a solar array, then you have the ability to protect your family during those times when there are power outages. The house will run off the battery, and you'll continue to run off the battery when the sun shines during those blackouts or storms where there are power outages and whatnot. So just wanted to make you aware of that. It is an option. Check out if it makes sense. Reach out to us.